Okay, IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. You got to reply. The topic is snacks. Can be anything like sandwiches, chips, biscuits, and all that. What snacks do you like?
Well, I like pizza and burgers, and most of the time I do order, and we eat at the after evening and live together.
You live together with pizza and burger? Huh? Okay,
We
listen.
eat together.
All right, listen. What you have to do, try to speak fluently and don't take a break after each sentence. What you do, you produce one sentence, then you think. Then another sentence, then you think. Try to speak fluently. For example, what snacks do you eat? First of all, I like pizza very much. And most of the time in the evening, I enjoy pizza with my family. All my family members, we sit together and we enjoy a large pizza. And I also like burgers, especially Zinger burger is my most. See that? In the beginning, if you say, I like pizza, burger, shawarma, na, 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 then you cannot talk more. So you should say, first of all, this is what we call signposting. And examiners like this thing very much. Say, wow, very decent IELTS candidate. First of all, I like pizza. Secondly, this. Good. बहुत सलीकामंद बच्चा है. Okay, something like that. Now, let's go on. उसको बताएं मैंने हंसाया तो बच्चे हंस रहे थे. All right. So, let's go on. Next. Did you eat snacks when you were a child? Which tense is that?
Past.
Yeah. Did you eat snacks when you were a child? Come on.
Yes, I ate many.
I used to eat. I used to eat means in the past habit. Past habit. I used to eat.
I used to eat burgers when I was child, and my mother said me that that was my favorite dish, and we ate together.
We used to eat together. Now, what
We
are you
used-
doing? You know, one thing, you're repeating the same ideas. Burger, eat together, this and that. If you repeat the same ideas in every answer, you will get low bench score. For example, did you often eat snacks when you were younger? Yes, when I was small, I used to eat burger. My mom tells me now when I was small, I liked burgers very much and I was quite fond of eating Zinger burgers. So to answer your question, in my childhood, burger was my favorite snack. That's it. No repetition, clear answer in 5-6 sentences, okay? It'll take time to develop this thing, right? Yeah. Okay, when do you usually eat snacks?
On weekends, I usually eat snacks when I go to my home, and I like to enjoy with my family. So that's why.
We eat together? No? Okay. All right. So every question should be answered differently. You know why? Otherwise, you will use same vocabulary, same sentence structure, and I call it moving round in circles. So don't move round in circles. Try to answer every question in a different way. That will be better. And try to speak more. Right? Let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I like listening to music. Sometimes I feel bored. So
I feel bored. B-O-R-E-D.
sometimes I feel bored, so I prefer to listen music for a while. So
that is why I love listening to music. That's it. At the end, one sentence conclusion. Okay?
okay.
All right. What kind of music do you like?
Normally I like to listening. Sir,
I like to listen to.
Sir, I don't know the types of music.
Don't worry about it. Any type. Fast music, slow
Okay.
music, luddi music. Okay? Say anything. No problem. Bhangra music. There is no problem. Sufi music. Yeah. So what type of music do you like? I like slow music very much because slow music is according to my taste. I'm a very slow person. That is why I play slow music. And you know, recently now they have some songs in slow-mo.
Yes.
Some music, some songs in slow-mo. So you can say I like slow music. Don't think too much. What kind of music do you like? समझ नहीं आ रही. I like every kind of music. I just need to have dum dum bang bang pa pa pa. So I like every kind of music. There is no problem, and it depends on my mood. Whenever I play radio, there is any music, I listen to that. Don't be confused, right? You don't have a script to speak. Whatever you say, examiner will accept it. The question is, what kind of music do you like, right? For example, another possible answer: I don't like any kind of music. Whatever the music is, I just listen to it, and I don't know about the kinds of music, so that's why, I mean, whenever I play music, if there is any song, I listen to it. That's it, okay?
Okay.
But be confident. Now, let's go on. When do you listen to music?
When I feel bored, then I prefer to listen music, and if I have free time, so then I like to listen music.
Okay, now just, you started very well. I don't know what happened to you now. Just carry on. Answer in 4-5 sentences with full energy. Right? When do you listen to music? I always listen to music when I feel bored. When I have nothing to do, then I play some music, and that music changes my mood. So I think when I have nothing to do, at that time I listen to music. Right? Make up your mind. All of you. You need to make up your mind that whatever the question is, and you don't need to give the real answers. Like you say, मैं नेक इंसान हूँ, सच्चे जवाब दूंगा. Okay, not like that. Whatever comes to your mind, it is according to the question, just speak that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.